guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ella here. If you're new, I usually do fashion and styling videos that consist of neutral styling and neutral pieces and basic pieces. So if that's something that interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Today I'm so excited because I have a Zara haul planned out. Just basic pieces that I think you need in your winter wardrobe. A lot of creams, grays, browns, and just basic pieces that I think can elevate any outfit, and I'm so excited for that. A little bit of an update. I did cut my hair. I'm not really used to it, hence that's why my hair is kind of up today, because I really didn't know how to style it. I went to the salon, told her I wanted to cut an inch off, and guess what? 2 inches got cut off. So still getting used to it. I really didn't notice it when I was at the store because my hair was like kind of straight when she blow dried it, and I couldn't really tell. So today I kind of styled it with my hair curled, and which is what I usually do. And yeah, I mean, I'm still not used to it because it's so short. I've been using so much coconut oil this year, trying to grow my hair in quarantine and everything else. So I guess, that didn't really pay off because my hair is really short now. So I'm still getting used to it. So I kind of just pulled it back up, and I'm just gonna see how it, I feel as the days goes on. I mean, it's not the end of the world. It's just a haircut. I know it'll grow back. I'm just gonna put extra coconut oil in my hair and just, keep doing that, and hopefully my hair grows back in the next 6 months. And yeah, so that's why my hair is up. Thought I would tell you guys a little story about me. I just want to make this a really fun environment for you guys. Just a little bit about me. I do want to tell you I love fashion. It's something that I live and breathe. So I'm very thankful that I get to express myself this way, and I really appreciate you guys supporting me. So anyways, I'm gonna stop with this mushy stuff and get back to the video. Anyways, today with the video, I have a lot of pieces that I think you'll like. Just basic pieces, a lot of beige, browns, things you can wear so many different ways. So I really hope you like this video, and why don't we just get started with the video now. So the first item that we're going to talk about is what I'm wearing. It's just this ribbed knit sweater. So it's this taupe color. I just think it looks really nice. It's it's a color that I don't really have in my closet. Just really love the way it fits. It has these shoulder pads. That's the first thing that really drew me in, is that it was really nice to find a sweater that has shoulder pads in it. I tried to buy this, I think like 3 or 4 weeks ago when Black Friday sale was coming up, and it was completely sold out. So when it came back in stock, I bought it right away. I'm really happy I did because it fits really nice. It kind of just like hugs your body in the right places. It's not that thick. It's still kind of thin, the material. I think it comes in 3 different colors. This color, black, and cream. But I really wanted this color because I just think I can wear this so many different ways. So you can definitely, dress this up. You can dress it down with jeans. You could definitely wear this to work as well with like black pants. I think it will look really nice. And obviously you can wear this with jeans or even these brown jeans that they have online. I think that would look really nice. And yeah, I mean, I think it's just a really basic piece with a little bit of, really nice detail, which is the shoulder pads. It kind of like makes it different than your normal basic tee. So I really do love this item. I think it looks really nice on. I don't know if I'm going to keep the shoulder pads in. I'm going to see how I feel in the next couple of days. But I think if you don't have broad shoulders and you really want like a structured look, I think this is a really nice basic tee to have. So the next item we're going to talk about is denim. It's this beautiful color that I got. It's like this brown taupey, again, just a really nice brownish color. I really wanted a pair of brown, like beige kind of type of pants, and I saw these online and I really love them. I think they're called the 90s jeans. They kind of go straight down. They're not as wide at the bottom, but they are still, about 7 inches wide or 6 inches wide. I could be wrong. So I got this in a size 38, and they were $59 Canadian. And I think I really like the fit of these. They fit really nice around the hip area. I could have gone to a size 4, but I feel like it would be too tight for me around the hip area. The only problem that I do have, it's not really a problem. I mean, it could be easily fixed. I could just wear a belt, is the gaping problem. I feel like that's the problem with most Zara jeans. And I think a lot of people have that problem with Zara. It is cropped, so it kind of hits you right at the ankle. I think it fits beautifully. I really, really love these jeans so much, and I'm so happy that I got them. So if you are looking for something that's a little, taupey brown jeans, I would definitely recommend these. So the only downfall that I have with these jeans, like I said before, is just the gaping problem at the back. But other than that, honestly, I adore these jeans. I love the color, I love the way it fits, and I like how it's like a straight leg down. You know, I can easily dress this up with you know, a blazer, a black blazer and a black bodysuit with boots. I think that would look really nice. And you could just dress this down with like even a white tee or a turtleneck, or even what I'm wearing right now. I think this and this together would look really nice. And just have like a black belt and wear it with sneakers. I think this is one of my favorite jeans now because the color is just so beautiful. So I definitely recommend these. And I'm just gonna go ahead to my next item now. The next item we're gonna talk about is this brown basic top. I was looking for a brown tone tight kind of basic top, and I found this one online at Zara. It has like this really nice wide neckline. I believe it's kind of squarish because it kind of goes like this, but it's rounded off. It's not really an actual square, but it's really broad. It is a crop top, so it kind of hits you right above your waist. I just really love the color. I wanted something that I can pair with like my cream jeans and my black denim, and or even my brown pants. I wanted to like a monochromatic brown look. So I found this online. I really love the fit of it. I think they have one with I believe a round neck as well, but I opted out for the square round neck because I think it just would look flattering. The material is kind of ribbed, so it is stretchy. I got it in a size small. It was $25. It is full sleeve, and I just think it was a really nice basic brown knitwear to have in my wardrobe, especially now because it's winter, and I think it would just look really nice. You know, you can easily dress this up with like a black pants, and you can easily dress it down with like jeans or even leather pants. Just again, a really nice basic to have in your wardrobe. So if you're looking for like a brown top, definitely recommend this one. I really love the fit of it. And yeah, I'm just gonna go on to my next item now. So the next item we're gonna talk about is this knit dress. It's this turtleneck knit dress. It is a mini. It's not too short. I wanted something that I can wear with, you know, tights and with like a blazer on top with boots. This one is just perfect for that because I just really love the color. I think this comes in a gray as well. I got it in a size small, and it was $59, and it has a drop shoulders. It does go straight down, so it's not like it's tight or form-fitting and hugs your body or anything. It just goes straight down. Another reason I loved it, because you can definitely belt this, or you could just leave it open. Again, I just think this is a really nice basic cream knitwear dress that you can have in your wardrobe and just pair with so many different things. You could definitely dress this up with like heels and tights, or you can even dress it down. You can wear tights and, you know, flat boots with it, and wear a black blazer with it. So if you're looking for just like a basic knitwear dress that has a turtleneck and it's a mini, and you want to wear with tights with boots, I definitely recommend this one. So the next item we're going to talk about is this knitwear set. It's like this lounge set, I would say. It's in like this light beige color. Top is half sleeves, and then the pants are just straight down, kind of wide. They're cropped, so it's a really nice length. There's so many sets online on Zara that are, you know, really, really nice, and I couldn't really choose one. There's this one chunky one with turtleneck and full sleeves. There's so many different variations. There's one with a polo neck, and I really wanted something that I could kind of wear in the summer, spring, fall, and winter, kind of like all seasons. I wanted to keep that in mind when I was buying it. So I saw this one. It was really nice because the material is really lightweight. Like, I mean, you can easily pull this off in the summer, like, you know, especially when it's a cool night, or even like in the fall. And even in winter right now, you can wear this with a golf shirt underneath. You can do that, or you can even put a blazer on top of it. You can put a cardigan on top of it. There's just so many ways to wear this. That's why I really liked it. I got this in a size small for the top, and I got the pants in a small as well. I believe the pants were $35, and then the top was $25. So I think it was reasonable for price. I really do love this one. I just love the material. I wish you guys can feel this because it's so thin, and it's not like too heavy for you. So I think you can wear this around the house. Like I said before, you can wear it with a golf shirt underneath for winters, and in summers you can transition into summer for a cooler night. Just wear this half sleeves and just tuck it into your pants. You can also wear this separately. Like, you can wear this top with like denim. You can wear it with black pants. You can even wear it to work, and even the pants, you can wear this with like a white tee. You can wear it with a black turtlenecks. So you really can mix and match these pieces, and I feel like it's such a versatile set to have in your wardrobe. It's great to lounge around in, even at home. So if you want to wear this for lounging at home, I think even for that it's really nice. I would definitely wear this out too, because I think it just looks really chic on, especially if you wear this with like black sandals in the summer, and in winter you could definitely wear this with boots or even loafers. I think it would look really nice on. I'm gonna go to my next item now. So the next item we're gonna talk about is this knit sweater. This sweater is really cute. I was going for like the grandma vibe. This definitely has that vibe, but I mean not a grandma vibe. I mean like I just really wanted something that was really like cozy and cute. I don't know how to explain it, but I just really like the vibe of this sweater. The color is just really beautiful. It's like this gray, creamy, and then it has like the little brown threads. I'm gonna zoom in. So it has this collar, as you can see. It's really nice. It's really nice on. I got this in a size small. It is cropped. I believe this is $59. So I have something similar to this in cream, and I really love that one. It's like this chunky sweater, and I wanted something close to that but in a different color, and I saw this one online. I really liked it. So it has these buttons in the front. It has about 4 buttons. You can leave it open. I just thought it was really cute for winter, just to have a cozy knit. You can wear this with black jeans. You can wear this, you know, you could even dress it up with pants if you want. You can even wear this over a dress. I just really like how basic it is. I think it was just really nice for winter to wear, you know, like old school vibe. The sweater itself, I mean, you would definitely have to wear something underneath it because it is kind of like scratchy, like especially if you have sensitive skin. I would definitely recommend wearing something underneath it. Honestly, it just gives me grandma vibes and I love it. So that's the reason I got it, to be honest. And yeah, I'm just gonna go on to my next item now. So my next item is this gray sweater, and I really wanted a really nice turtleneck that's gray, and especially in this color. I really don't have anything in this color that's in a dark gray. So this material is so soft. I really love how soft this is. I got it in a size small. It's $49. Kind of very loose fitting, as you can see. It's not as tight, so I could definitely got it in an extra small, but they didn't have my size, so I just decided to get a small anyways. It has these drop shoulders, and I love how I can dress this up with like leather pants, or especially with black denim, or you can wear like a whole gray outfit with it. I think that would be so nice, especially if you have like, you know, like those light gray or like space gray pants, and then you can wear like a gray coat with it with a black scarf. I think that would look really nice. You can definitely dress this up with like a black satin skirt. You can wear this over like a black dress. I feel like it's such a, you know, staple for winter to have like a gray turtleneck in your wardrobe, which I don't have, and I really like this one. It's really soft. I think it looks really flattering on, especially as a staple. I feel like you need at least one gray sweater in your wardrobe, a turtleneck that fits you really nicely, and I think this one does that for me. So that's why I got it. Such a versatile item to have in your wardrobe. So if you're looking for like a gray sweater, I definitely recommend this one. Give it 10 out of 10. And yeah, that's all the items that I had for you today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!